the second type of the plant tissue is permanent tissue. The meristematic tissue which are losing their division capacity, they are forming the permanent tissue. So permanent tissues are formed of matured cells. Cells of permanent tissue can't divide. Okay, characteristics. So it is the basic difference between the meristematic and the permanent tissue, that the cells, the meristematic tissue cells are actively dividing cells, but the cells of permanent tissue can't divide. Now characteristics, first one, permanent tissue is derived from the division of meristematic tissue. So meristematic tissue cells are continuously dividing, and when it is losing its property of that division, then it is forming the permanent tissue. The cells have different shapes related to their functions they perform. So they are responsible for different function, and according to their function they are forming their shapes. They have thick-walled cells, and with a large vacuole, nucleus is displaced to one side. So in meristematic tissue, the vacuole is either absent or very small. So the nuclei can be there in the center, centrally located nucleus. But in case of permanent tissue, as the vacuole is there, so the nucleus is displaced to one side. Location, they are present in all parts of the plant except the meristems. Means in the plants, in the growing portion, the meristematic tissues are there, except those portions. In the other part, the permanent tissues are present. Now the types, this can be divided into two groups: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue.